Alright, what's up everyone? Phil, 33 Mile Bees here. Decided that I'm going to make a new yard here at my place. This is going to be kind of my nuke yard. I got 10 nukes set up, ready to go. I have they're sitting over in the shade, 10 queens from Jose from California. So like I said, I got all these set up. I got one frame of bees in each one. So without further ado, let's get to installing some queens. Alright, I'm going to try and do this without having a veil on, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so a lot of attendants in there. Keep these in the shade as long as I possibly can. And we got food in there for them. Alright, let's see. Now these are California queen cages, so there are no attendants in there with them. And comes candy already exposed. So 3 carny queens there. These are all carnies, we've got 10 of them. So pretty easy. We'll go down here to this one. I'll show you these ones too. They're not marked. I'm going to wait for them to start laying. Once they get laying, then I'll come back and I'll be able to get them marked. So all we do is go in here, spread the frames apart, cage down, like so. And that's it. I will come back later and also give them some pollen patty. And all we do, go there. And they will chew through that candy and get the queen out. By the time they get through it, her scent and everything will be on the whole hive, and they should have them oops. Alright, spin this around and get a couple more. So, not too much to it. So here. Nice dark carny queens. Spread the frames apart. And wedge them in. It is a warm one today here in Michigan, June 1st. It is 89 degrees. So yeah, she's getting warm. So just like that, that's what we do. Shut the camera off, and so it'll probably end up overheating here very soon anyways. So we'll check back on these girls, give them a few days. Hopefully it'll be out. Check them to see if they're laying. So thanks for watching. Till the next time. Phil, 33 Mile Bees.